Hi, this is Ken with Village Green Lawn and Pest, and if you need lawn health, pest control, or mosquito control, don't hesitate to call us. Today I'm sharing 5 simple ways to keep pests out of your home. Tip number 1, seal entry points. You'll want to seal those entry points around your home by checking for cracks around windows, doors, and your foundation, and you'll use caulk to seal the gaps, install door sweeps, or you'll want to repair any of the torn screens that might be around the home. Tip number 2 is to maintain your landscaping. You want to trim your bushes and branches that touch your house, and you want to maintain a 12-inch gap between your plants and your home. You also want to see at least 2 to 3 inches of the top of your foundation, so you'll want to keep the mulch about 2 or 3 inches below that foundation top. Tip number 3 is to eliminate standing water. You'll want to clean your gutters regularly, fix any leaky outdoor faucets, and ensure proper yard drainage to prevent mosquitoes and other pests from being able to breed. Tip number 4 is to store firewood properly. If you have a fireplace, you'll want to store that firewood away from your house and keep it elevated off the ground to prevent termites and carpenter ants from being able to make that jump into your home. And then tip number 5 is to declutter your home. You want to reduce hiding spots inside by decluttering. Pests love dark, undisturbed areas, especially spiders love that. So you want to clean the storage spaces regularly and use plastic bins instead of cardboard boxes. So that's it. These 5 simple steps will dramatically reduce your chances of pest problems. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.